Namaste. हमेशा खुश रहिए. I am Dr. Anchit from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University from the Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics. Today we are going to learn about kissing spine. One of the other problems which causes pain in the back is called kissing spine. Now let's read what is kissing spine. Kissing spine is also known as Bastrup's sign. Bastrop sign is named after a Christian Bastrop who first described the condition in 1933. It is a syndrome of pain and inflammation which is triggered when a spinous process of two adjacent vertebrae touch each other. This is how the disorder earned its nickname kissing spine. A spinous process is a thin bony projection that extends off the back of each vertebra. If you run your hand down your back, you can feel the spinous process. Kissing spine occurs mostly in the lumbar spine, that is the lower back, and with the L4 L5 segment being the top side. Though rare, you can also develop kissing spine in your cervical spine. While exact cause is not known, kissing known is associated with degenerative changes in the spine, many of which are caused by the natural processes of aging. It may be caused by degeneration. As discs wear out, it can cause the adjacent spinous processes to meet. As the spinous process continues to wear down by encountering each other, it can also trigger degeneration elsewhere in the back or neck. That's why kissing syndrome is linked with other degenerative spinous conditions such as degenerative disc diseases, spondylolisthesis, and spinal stenosis. Possible causes of kissing spine include conditions that may lead to excessive lordosis, including spinal injury, trauma, poor posture, scoliosis, or obesity. Now, what are the symptoms of kissing spine? The most common symptom of kissing spine is low backache that worsens when you arch your back, that is extension, and feels better when you round your back, that is flexion. The pain also spikes whenever the affected area is touched. In rare cases, when kissing spine affects the cervical spine, you may feel these symptoms in your neck. As kissing spine can trigger additional degenerative changes in your spine, you may feel symptoms of those secondary disorders. For example, if you develop spinal stenosis in your lumbar spine, you may experience neurological symptoms such as radiating leg pain, numbness, and weakness. How is it diagnosed? Physical examination, investigations like X-ray, CT scan, MRI, or some special test in which history taking is done, and then uh, physical performance maneuvers are recreated, which causes pain. Now, what are the treatments available? Treatments are both surgical and non-surgical. First of all, we go for conservative treatment that are non surgical treatments, in which we give medications such as steroid injections, NSAIDs for painkillers, and then physical therapy. The main motto of physical therapy is to stretch, strengthen your core, hip, spine, and neck muscles to prevent excessive lordosis. We also aim for correcting the angle of the spine, reducing the weight in case of obese patients, postural correction, and general awareness of the disease. Patients often find success using non-surgical therapies to sustainably manage their back pain. So spinal injury is typically not considered. For pain also we can go for hot packs, ice packs, contrast baths, modalities such as ultrasound, IFT, TENS. So this was about kissing spine. I hope the session is clear. In case of doubt, you can drop in your text in the comment section and we'll clear it. Thank you.